This is Solar Ed reporting from the Control Center, a daily deployment report. Our daily deployment report, the daily deployment report for Solar Ed Hurricane Assistance Vehicle Deployment Status, August 30th, 2023. We'll be taking a look at the 11 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. The situation at the moment, we can take a look at our area map here, and as of 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the hurricane was noted as a Cat 2, winds 109 miles per hour, gusting at 68. And then is expected to be a Cat 4, arrival time sometime 8 o'clock a.m. in the morning on Wednesday, August 30th, 2023. Expected winds 132 miles an hour, gusting at 87. Just keep in mind is that it's been 107 years since this area had received a storm of this magnitude, and that's a major issue. Let's take a look at some other issues. A quick heads up. Another item of consideration is that our criteria for deploying the hurricane assistance vehicle, it must be a Cat 3 or greater hurricane, and that's where we are at right now. There seems to be no problem with that for the criteria. Power outage forecast. The other consideration would be power outages, and this is a list of forecast power outages. As you can see, the widespread area between Cedar Key and Jacksonville, to include Lakeland, Florida area, along with the city of Tallahassee. This storm has some major impacts too for Georgia and South Carolina. We possibly should expect to have no power or be without power within 5 to 10 days. That's your preparation. It's obvious with a hurricane or a solar generator that would possibly meet your needs quite well. Thank you for listening. We'd like to inform you that our hurricane activities and the Solar Ed Assistant Vehicle Deployment activity will be in motion. The other consideration that you need to be aware of is that the airport closure we expect to have at least 10 airports closed throughout Florida sometime on Wednesday and Thursday. As you know, we actually had a change from a Cat 3 to Cat 4, so you just need to be aware of that. And we just need you to be aware of scan the QR code below for your solar generator. Solar generator power outages, we recommend you use a solar generator versus a gas. If you have any questions and comment, please check out our website or email us direct. Scan the QR code for your order. Solar generator outages are recommended
everybody to use solar generated versus a gas. If you have any questions, please check out our website or email us directly.